Hey, Audrey. Okay, so I got your email and I thought maybe it would just be easier to do a quick recording so I could walk you through this problem and you can watch it when you have time. I'm not totally sure how to solve proportions or how to solve matrices using proportions, but I think you might be overthinking this problem a little bit, but I'm not sure because I'm not totally sure what method it is that you're using. But here's how I would do this problem. And I could be wrong. I'm a little rusty. I haven't done this in a while. So you've got your original problem here equals x 27, y, and z. So when you multiply a scalar by a matrix, so it's almost like distributing, even though that's not really an appropriate word, but you multiply by like every term. So what you end up with is you have 2a, 6a, 1a, and 4a, right? And from what I can tell, right, you've got x, 27, y, and z. So what you end up with is, I believe, 2a equals x, 6a equals 27, 1a equals y, and 4a equals z, I believe. And the one that we can figure out what a is this 6a equals 27. So I looked at this two ways. First of all, you could take 6a equals 27 and divide both sides by 6. So a equals 27 over 6. Or they're asking you for, the other thing here is they're asking you for what is x plus z, right? Well, if you look at x is 2a, and z is 4a, and when you add 2a plus 4a, you get 6a, and we know from up here that 6a is equal to 27. So that makes me think that the answer is just 27. So I don't know if that's, I see you have a 27 on here as well, so I'm not sure if that's kind of where you were getting at, but those are my thoughts on this problem. But again, I'm a little rusty on matrices, so hopefully this helps, and let me know if you have any other questions. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.